training the climate scientists of the future. This unique carbon capture training plant at Imperial College London is the only one of its kind in the world, where students can get hands-on experience of the technologies being explored by industries and countries to meet their sustainability targets.
Since 2021, carbon capture and storage globally has doubled in use and capacity. It needs to increase something to 100-fold or beyond by 2050. To do that, the skills that are needed to develop and then run, manage, operate those processes are key and absolutely vital. What's really pleasing here is that in that decade or so since the opening of this plant, we've seen around 4,500 students or more come through and be trained with those hands-on skills at Imperial College.
ICL partnered with ABB to provide engineering solutions for this CCS plant. Actually, more than 250 instruments, everything from measurement and analytics systems, which cover virtually every part of the process here, to digitalization software, to a host of cutting-edge control and monitoring systems, which means that things happening anywhere throughout this plant can be tracked and monitored directly from the control room. While the technology behind carbon capture is well established, finding scalable applications will be a big challenge, and that's something students today are extremely keen to tackle.
Pretty much all of the students that go into engineering, and particularly chemical engineering, one of the key aims for them is to be able to contribute meaningfully to that energy transition, that sustainability bit, whether it's just the energy transition bit, or actually looking more widely at things like the circular economy.
I think it's a bit motivator because when you look at ChemEng, there's a lot of new opportunities relevant to sustainability. Traditionally, you've been related to oil and gas industry a lot. Of course, you can go through pharma, manufacturing, stuff like that. But sustainability is a whole new field with a lot of creative and innovative opportunity. So it'd be a very exciting time to be a chemical engineer and have an interest in sustainability.
From the CCS facility, I get first-hand experience of how real engineer would be. Before this, I just learned from lectures, and all of them are theories and numbers. The ultimate thing is, it let me have first-hand experience of what my future life would be if I work in the technical aspects.
The UK has made carbon capture a key plank of its sustainability strategy, but experts have underlined the need this creates for a workforce that really understands the technology involved. With ABB's partnership with ICL now extended for another 10 years, that's something students and academics here are determined to address.